Abacus AI, Poe, and Perplexity each serve different use cases, so picking the best one depends on what you need. Abacus AI is built for enterprise-grade AI development. It lets you build, train, and deploy models at scale with AutoML, real-time data pipelines, and MLOps features. If you're a company looking to implement production-ready AI systems, Abacus is your way to go. Poe, created by Cora, focuses on consumer-level access to multiple AI chatbots like GPT-4, Claude, and others, all in one place. It's fast, simple, and ideal for people who want to switch between AI models without juggling accounts. It's great for everyday users, students, and general research. Perplexity AI is built like a supercharged search engine. It combines web results with real time AI summaries, making it perfect for fact checking, deep research, and answering questions with sources. So it's ideal for writers, students, and professionals who need accurate source data. So Abacus AI for building AI systems, Poe for switching between chatbots, and Perplexity for AI powered research.